The P2096 code stands for Post-Catalytic Converter Fuel Trim, Bank 1, 2 Lean. In simple terms, the oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter, known as sensor 2, on the side of the engine that includes cylinder 1, is detecting that the air-fuel mixture is too lean. That means it has too much air or not enough fuel after the gases have passed through the catalytic converter. This is important because the downstream sensor monitors the efficiency of the catalytic converter and ensures that emissions are within limits. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. You may also notice increased fuel consumption and in some cases a slight loss of power or rough idle. If the P2096 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD-II scanner. The causes can vary. A very common one is exhaust leaks after the catalytic converter, but before the downstream oxygen sensor. These leaks allow extra air to enter and falsify the reading. Also, check for engine vacuum leaks, as they can affect the overall mixture. The downstream oxygen sensor itself, Bank 1, Sensor 2, could be faulty. Finally, the catalytic converter could be operating with inefficiency or even faulty, although this is often accompanied by other codes such as P0420. Don't ignore code P2096. If left unattended, a persistent lean mixture can lead to increased fuel consumption, damage to the catalytic converter due to overheating, and your vehicle will fail emissions tests.